Okay, finding the inverse of a log function. So when we want to find the inverse, we need to know two important things. So look on the right. First thing, to find the inverse, you need to switch x and y. X and y. And the second thing is solve for y. So if I look at my function here, I have f of x equals log base 3 of x plus 5. This right here, f of x, is the same as y. So I am just going to swap places with x and y. So I'm going to rewrite it as x equals to log base 3 y plus 5. Everything stays exactly the same. The only thing I switched was x and y. So we completed the first step. Second step is to solve for y. Because I have a log equation, then to solve for y, I need to switch it to switch log from log form to exponential form. So I'm going to look at my base. My base is 3, so I'm going to write 3 to the x, which is my exponent right here. This is the log always equals to the exponent. So 3 to the x equals to y plus 5. And then I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to isolate my y, subtract 5 on both sides, and then I will have y is equal to 3 to the x minus 5. Okay, try this one. Okay, so f of x equals log base 2 of x minus 7. First thing I'm going to do is to find the inverse is I'm going to switch x and y. So I will write x equals to log base 2 of y minus 7. Then I'm going to solve for y, so I need to switch to exponential form. My base is 2. I'm going to write 2. My exponent is x. 2 to the x is equal to y minus 7. And finally, I will add 7 on both sides. Cancels, and I have y is equal to 2 to the x plus 7. Find the inverse f of x equals to log 6x. This has a base 10, which is our common log. So again, I'm going to switch x with y. So I will write x is equal to log 6y. Switching forms, we have base 10 right here, base 10. So I will rewrite it as 10 to the x is equal to 6y. Divide both sides by 6. Y is equal to 10 to the x over 6. Now, do not cancel 10 over 6. What you can do is rewrite it as 1/6 times 10 to the x. So let me rewrite it here. Y is equal to 1/6 times 10 to the x. Okay, f of x equals log base 2 of x plus 7. So here, again, we're going to first switch x and y. So I will write x equals to log base 2 of y plus 7. Now, this example is different than the first one we did. You need to think of this log as not fully isolated. The plus 7 needs to go to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 7 first. So I have x minus 7 equals to log base 2 of y. Now that my log is fully isolated, now I could switch forms. So I will write my base first, which is 2. My exponent is all of this. The log always equals to the exponent. So x minus 7 is equal to y.